Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Firestick storage errors. So if your Firestick says it's running out of storage or won't install any new apps, then just follow along. First, open settings and go to applications. Then select manage installed application and review the apps you no longer use and uninstall them to free up storage. Next, open your most used apps one at a time and then select clear cache to remove temporary files. You can also delete downloaded files that are no longer needed, especially APK installation files. Then restart your Firestick after cleaning up the storage and check for Firestick software updates, since updates can improve storage management and performance. And if you're still running low on space, avoid installing unnecessary apps and periodically clear cached data. So that was how to fix Firestick storage error. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.